Hello CA intermediate students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you the complete step-by-step process on how to fill CA inter exam form for September 2026 examinations. Last date is 19th July 2026. Make sure you fill the exam form before that date, guys. Let us see the process now. Click enter ICAI SSP or ICAI self-service portal in the Google search bar, and then SSP login link will be appearing. Click on this. Then in this dashboard, you have to enter your user ID, that is your registration number, and at last enter @ICAI.org and also enter the password and then click on sign in. In case you forgot the password, and click forgot password and you can recover it. And for the students who are first time writing for the September 2026 and don't have the logins, you can use here, click here option to create your logins, and likewise you can sign into the dashboard. After signing in, this is the our dashboard, guys. Here once check course status active or not, and current course it should be here new in 23 or con in 23. And make sure that you have registered for CA intermediate on or before 1st January 2026, so that you will be eligible for the September 2026 examinations. Okay, now what we have to do is click on this examination function, and on the left side you can see apply for exam. Click on that. Click on intermediate exam form. Students are asking what is the exam fee. Exam fee for single group is 1500 rupees, and if you are paying for both the group it is 2700 rupees, guys. Make sure you maintain this balance in your account. And here some important guidelines are being shown. After referring, click on I have read and understood all the guidelines and click on OK. In case your photo and signature is correct, click on yes. And in case you want to update your photo or signature, you can update them in the dashboard. Better you click on yes and click here OK, and scroll down. Your student details and last known contact details will be appearing here. Click on next. Here your qualification details will be appearing here. Make sure that your provisional flag is, and that is you are not provisionally registered or you are not provisionally filling the examination form. If it is appearing as means you have to update something like your mark sheet of 10th or 12th or etc. Once know the reason by mailing to the institute or contacting ICAI. Scroll down. Here it is asking, do you have any valid paper exemption? If you have, those will be automatically filled. Otherwise, you have to manually enter here. In case you don't have valid paper exemption, click on no and click on next. Here select medium opted, select English, and select exam applied. Your first group or second group or both the groups or unit 2 students can select unit 2 and accordingly here. And also select the region. You are from north or south or east or west or central. And also select the examination state. And also select the examination city. So ICAI is giving a beautiful option here. You can select the examination center also. So in your city, what are the available examination centers are there that you can select here. Green it is showing means that is available seats are there. So accordingly, the full address of the center also being shown here. Now scroll down. For both the groups, it is showing 2700. For single group, it is showing 1500. And also self declaration form. Once study and click on I agree and then click on submit. And click on OK. Now it is redirecting to the payment gateway. You can pay through UPI, QR code, or credit card, or debit card, or net banking. Once the payment is made, it will show you like on the screen. That is not final confirmation of your examination form, guys. You have to check again. Once come back to the dashboard, click again on exam function. Click again on submitted or pending forms. Click check on intermediate forms. And click on eyeball. See, examination, date of examination, and it is showing payment status F for SF. It is F means failed, S means success. Once click on the eyeball. If you are able to download the examination form, then that is successfully payment. You have made the payment. So in such a way, you can fill the examination and submit the exam form to ICAI so that you will be eligible for September 2026 examinations, and also admit cards will be hosted within 14 days before the examination. So by 18th or 19th August, you will also get the admit cards. We'll all update them in our Telegram channel. Please join our Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is given in the description. Please check out and please do share this video with your friends. Hope I